my name is Ro. I'm a self-diagnosed shopaholic, and today we're actually going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to show you guys how I dye my hair, but it's more of a learning process today because I'm not fully prepared, so please excuse my face as well because definitely was not prepared to film this video, but I really thought that my hair needed to be revamped because right now it's like this the lavender color. I mean, it's pretty, but I've had this color for so long that I feel like it just needs to be a different color. And the only thing that I have at home is a blue. So what I'm thinking is just to do the hair dye on my roots. And then when I wash my hair, the color should bleed. And theoretically, it should bleed onto this color, making it a different color, hopefully. But before we get started, if you love luxury fashion or shopping in general, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on notifications to know when I post my next video. And we might get random videos like this on my channel as well. I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be using today. So the only hair dye that I have at home is going to be this Artic Fox in Blue Jean Baby. So we're going to use some of this. I'm not sure how we're going to dilute this yet, so this is all learning and experimenting. And then whatever conditioner that you want, I just have some of the Garnier Fructis one left over. It doesn't matter what kind of conditioner it is, just whatever you have at hand. And this is what I had. And then a mixing bowl and some gloves, and I think that's all we need. So right now, this is just the remainder of the conditioner that was in that Fructis bottle. I'm not sure how much conditioner I need right now. It just depends on what color I'm looking for. So I'm just going to start mixing in some of this blue. The more conditioner, the more diluted it would be. So it just really depends. But I'm doing this with one hand, and if I can't squeeze this bottle out, let's see. With one hand, then I might have to show you guys when I'm done putting this color in. I actually ended up putting more conditioner in and more hair dye in because the first batch was definitely not enough for my hair, but I think this should be good. I'm just gonna mix it up and I'll show you guys the color of it. This is what the blue looks like right now, and I kind of don't want that because it looks more purple to me than a blue. So I added in some of this Joico semi-permanent titanium, which is just like a dark gray, and to hopefully darken it up and it'll be more of like a blue tint. So I'm gonna mix it up and I'll show you guys again when it's done. This is the final color. I actually really like it. It's like a denim blue. You just kind of have to play with colors and keep adding and see what color you end up with. And I ended up with this denim that I really like. I might even pull it through the roots to the ends if I like it that much. I'm still thinking about it, but we'll see how it goes. This is a whole experiment. I was not prepared for this, so let's just see how this goes. I'm done putting hair dye in my hair, and I only put it on the roots and I pulled it into the middle area, and then I left my ends untouched, and it's just because I want to have like an ombre effect to it. Theoretically, because my ends are so light that when I wash my hair, the water is gonna have some hair dye in it, and then it's gonna run through my ends, which leaves them with like a tint to it, which is exactly what I want because I want that ombre effect. I hope it works. I've tried this before, but it's a hit and miss, so we'll see how this goes. I normally put this hair color in and then I'll go like do errands or something around the house for like 3 or 4 hours, and that's only because I'm using a semi-permanent hair color, and that means that it is a conditioner base, so it's not going to damage your hair. It's more of like a hair mask, So it's actually probably good for my hair, that because my hair is pretty damaged from all the lightning. So having this on for hours is actually better for my hair. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll check back in when I'm done. It is the next day. I actually ended up keeping this hair in for like 4 hours, so by the time I was done it was really late at night and you just couldn't see anything even with the ring light. So I thought I would put on some makeup and have some sunlight to show you guys the final result, which I absolutely love. It is like a light blue mixed into the lavender that I had, and then it kind of is gray in some parts. I don't know if you guys can tell, like that's kind of gray, and I absolutely love that. It is just a mixture of random colors. It kind of reminds me of my logo actually, how the watercolor in the back is the blue and the purple. So actually I think I really like this. I think I'm going to keep it for a little bit and see what it fades out to. And I'm hoping maybe it'll fade into a lighter blue or like a gray, more of a gray on this middle part. We'll see how it goes. But if you guys like it, please let me know. If you guys hate it, please let me know. I would love to talk to you guys, so leave me comments down below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below to turn on notifications to know when I post my next video. And I hope to see you guys soon.